The crock pot slow cooker with digital timer is made for portability. Its secure locking lid and rubber gasket create a tight seal that helps prevent spills. The digital timer can be set for up to 20 hours, and the unit will automatically switch to warm when the cooking time is up. The crock pot also has a removable stoneware insert that can be used to serve food directly from the pot. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am presenting the best digital crock pot in detail briefly. The best digital crock pot links are given in the description box. So let's get started and enjoy this video. Number 1. Calphalon Programmable 5.3 Quarts Slow Cooker. This slow cooker is a great choice for those who want a reliable and easy-to-use slow cooker. This unit has a clear control panel with large buttons, making it easy to program the cooking time and temperature. The 5.3 quart capacity is perfect for cooking large meals, and the stoneware pot is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. This slow cooker also has a warm setting that keeps food warm after it's done cooking. Fast food release and easy to clean. Advantages: fast food release and easy to clean. 2 heat settings and auto keep warm mode. Large 5.3 quart capacity. Number 2. Crockpot Portable 6 Quart Slow Cooker. This is a portable slow cooker that can hold up to 6 quarts of food. It has a removable crock pot for easy cleaning, and it also has a keep warm setting to keep food warm after it is cooked. 6 quart cook and carry slow cooker serves 7+ people. Digital countdown control lets you program cook times anywhere from 30 minutes up to 20 hours. Shifts to warm setting automatically once cook time completes. Easy to use locking lid featuring lid gasket provides extra seal for less mess on the go. Advantages: easy to use locking lid. Programmable digital control. Removable oval stoneware. 6 quart capacity is perfect for 7+ people. Number 3. Black Plus Decker 7 Quart Digital Slow Cooker. This digital slow cooker is a great choice for those who are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use slow cooker. This unit has a 7 quart capacity, making it large enough to cook for a family or a group of friends. It also has a digital display that makes it easy to see the current cooking temperature and time remaining. The Black Plus Decker 7 Quart Digital Slow Cooker also has a keep warm function that will keep food warm after it is done cooking. Advantages: chalkboard surface, 3 heat settings system, removable stoneware crock.